Hello guys, Supreme Boombox here. Today I will showcase repaired Titan or Supreme Boombox. So, without more yapping, let's get straight into the video. This is it, the cleanest looking Titan, in my opinion. He has a decent looking jetpack with nice blasters. He comes with a large knife. His abilities are blaster shooting, stomp, scream, core ability and knife shot. The knife has a cool looking trail behind it. His blasters spin very fast before shooting and his head glows for a second. His stomps look goofy, but cool too. His screams do multiple target damage and generally look cool. Next is the core ability. It looks goofy, but it does a lot of damage. It's a good ability that is underrated. Without ultimate, it can kill 6 enhanced, corrupted Supreme Boomboxes.
Next goes to Ultimate 1.
In Ultimate, the core ability is a laser, and the knife shooting is replaced by rapid blaster shots. Ultimate versus 13 enhanced corrupted Supreme Boomboxes. Well, that was it my little boomboxes. Goodbye.